Hi guys, okay, so I decided today that I would speak a little bit about printer ink, for those of you who don't know. There's different types of ink, different types of printers, as you know. There are inkjet printers, bubble jet printers long ago. Now you just hear about the inkjet printer and a laser printer. And there's two different types of technology. The inkjet printer uses actual liquid ink, and the laserjet uses a powdered ink. And essentially, that's a big difference. That is a big difference in technology, because one, it uses jets basically to spray out this ink onto your paper, and that's how you get a printout. And well, the laser heats the laser jet. It would heat up the toner, what you call the dust ink, if you want to call it dry ink, and heats it up and spreads it onto the paper. Now, there has been some concern for me because laserjet technology has been getting cheaper. It was the more popular technology and known to be cheaper than ink. As you see, a lot of offices use laserjet because it can handle the workload, and it's also cheap. But recently I was thinking about buying a laserjet printer, and I was a bit concerned. I was concerned about the health hazards involved in buying a laser printer. As you know, the laser printer uses toner, and toner is that powdered substance. It's powdered ink, so it's very, very dusty. It has a specific smell, and I wondered if it could cause cancer. So there's no definite answer to it. I'm just bringing to your attention that if you go towards the laser jet in your house, please have it in an open area, where the breeze could blow, and you wouldn't be exposed to too much of this toner dust. According to research that I went on the internet and I started to search about it, toner is known to be carcinogenic, according to what they're saying. Certain types of toner, I would say that all, as far as I know, could be carcinogenic in high dosages. And there was a test done with some rats, and the rats got fibrosis and whatnot from it. So fibrosis is such a dangerous thing. So coming back to the point, be careful if you're using the toner. According to websites like Samsung and all these other printer manufacturers, they're saying that it is safe, as general use is safe, as long as the toner itself, the toner cartridge, doesn't break and a lot gets into the atmosphere. So for all intents and purposes, and they're saying the black toner is what is dangerous. I'm not quite sure. It didn't mention anything about the color toner. So I would say that in terms of a health risk, it's probably safer to go to inkjet. And actually, in today's technology, it's with the advancement of like the Ink Advantage from HP, you can get the same yields of prints from your inkjet, or very similar yields of print. In other words, with the same cost that you pay for the ink, if you were to compare it with the toner, they're actually side and side. If you were to compare the HP Ink Advantage liquid ink as opposed to the toners, for example, like the Samsung toners. So I'd say if you're really afraid, if you have anybody with any lung problems in your house, do not introduce the laser printers into the house unless you really have to. And at the same time, it is marginally cheaper to have your own laser printer in your house, with today's laser printers being so cheap. Long ago, it was very expensive. You'd spend thousands of dollars on a laser printer. Now you could get a laser printer for a little more than an inkjet printer. So please consider all these things when deciding if to use a printer, what types of printer to use in your house or at work. Try not to be too near to a laser printer. All these things could affect your health. And I guess it's just a warning as well as some information. And so please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye.